Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change battery color on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you can see that there is a battery icon color on your iPhone, and if you want to change that battery icon color so that it can be more visible on your iPhone lock screen, so how you can change that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings here. So here, what you have to do, you have to simply go to battery section here. So here you can first of all try to turn on the low power mode. So here you can simply see that if you turn on the lower power mode, then you can simply change the color of the battery icon. So here you can simply see that that battery icon color has been changed if you turn on the lower power mode. But if you want to change into different color, then there is no option available in that battery settings or anything like that. But if you want to see the battery color, as you can see, if you are using the settings and other things which is in white color, then you can simply see the battery icon color is changed to black. But if you go to home screen, then you can simply see that there is a white color of the battery icon. So there is the only method that you can simply change the battery icon color. But there are apps which may I recommend you to use the app so that you can simply change the color, but that's not possible. So you cannot change the battery icon color according to your desire. So it is a feature on iPhone that you can simply, if you go to the setting and if you turn on the low power mode, then you can simply change the color. But otherwise, there is no option available so that you can simply change the color on iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.